Major press media sources report that the gas pipeline between China and Russia may be built on Mongolian territory. As Russia and China are pushing forward their major gas pipeline project on Monday, the Kremlin announced that Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered state-controlled company Gazprom to consider making Russian gas export to China via Mongolia.
Russian President Vladimir Putin paid a state visit to Mongolia on September 3rd on the occasion of the 80th anniversary of the Battle of Khalkhin-Gol. During his state visit, Mongolian officials, including the President of Mongolia, Parliament Speaker, and the Prime Minister, conducted a series of productive meetings with the Russian President and discussed the possibility of boosting further business and economic cooperation. During the state visit, President Batulov expressed his interest in cooperating on gas export to China and strengthening the Mongolia-Russia-China transit trade and transport ties. According to Reuters, Gazprom is due to start exporting gas to China in December via the Eastern Power of Siberia pipeline. The Kremlin reports that some guidance was provided to the Gazprom administration, a request to look into the resources of the Yamal Peninsula as well, in order to gather the necessary resources for the supplies via the western route to China via Mongolia, was given by Putin to Gazprom head Alexei Miller at a meeting, adding that the partners in China also lean toward this route.